Hey Traillites, Ty here, joining you from the new and improved Senior Common Room at Traill College. October is Eat Better, Eat Together month, and I wanted to start us off with an easy recipe. These peanut butter and banana energy bites have just 5 ingredients and don't require any cooking. You're going to need 1 overripe banana, 1 cup of quick cooking oats, half a cup of dried cranberries, half a cup of peanut butter, and a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. In a medium-sized bowl, mash the banana with a fork until it's smooth. Stir in your peanut butter, cranberries, chocolate chips, and oats. Roll the mixture into balls and place them on a cookie sheet or plate lined with parchment paper. Put your energy bites into the freezer or fridge to chill until they're firm. And that's it! These energy bites are great for a quick breakfast, and you can even keep extras in the freezer for those last-minute study sessions with friends. Thanks for joining me, and I'll be back next week with another recipe. Bye for now!